This is the cover of my Honda Element gas cap cover. The bracket broke. That's like this. And when you take it out of the car, you have two bolts holding it to the vehicle, and this is the door, and it's on a hinge. Mine broke off. Maybe you might come across this, but what broke was that pin, which goes through here. It's a pin, and if you look on the other side, it's welded on each end right here. My welds broke, so I re-welded it. It's not the greatest, but that keeps it nice and stiff and has a pivot point, if you can tell. See how it turns on that? Now in reality, that's not the original pin. I used a nail. I replaced it. It's a little thicker. Welding it on both ends and also on the back. I gave it a little tack here. Like I said, it's not the greatest welding job. I'm using one of those Harbor Freight welders, but it's working. So now all I gotta do is put that pin back in. Actually, not the pin, what's that called? The spring. And this spring, in case you need to know how this goes on, it goes, one piece goes behind that lip right there. Another one goes behind this lip down there. So it goes in between the two right there. You're gonna have to squeeze this, and that gives a little spring action here, so you can open and close the door. All right, I hope this is something that can help you out, because if you have to replace the whole thing, it's about 50 bucks. If not, if you're handy and you have a welder, just replace that pin, either re-weld it, what's there, or just put a nail in there. That's the same size. I just want to show you so you can see a little better, so you get a better understanding of what I did. Okay, the pin goes through. All right. This is for visual purposes, so you know what's going on with that pin. Because if you have this broken, most likely it'll be in pieces, and you're trying to figure out how to put it back together. That's the way it goes. And once again, I hope you don't lose this. That's important. Okay, it goes from here to here. All right. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you out. It'll save you a couple of dollars here and there. All right, thanks for watching.